Good morning, you guys. Good evening. I apologize. It's actually 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Good evening. So we are just now getting our day started. We had a busy morning. We've been cleaning the house all morning, and we basically just finished. So, right now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and do a morning afternoon routine with us because I haven't put the girls in the tub yet because, like I said, we've been busy all day. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them in the tub. I'm gonna show y'all me running their water, and then show y'all after they get out the tub, and just show y'all practically how we get our day started. What do we do in a day? And yeah, y'all, by the way, Zay had his coffee already, so scratch that. I don't know if he's still drinking his coffee or not, but I might need me a cup of coffee because I'm kind of feeling it right now. But yeah, so we're just gonna clean the house. I just got done putting all the laundry away because yes, I had to wash a whole ton of laundry today. That's all put away. Now what I'm supposed to do is just get the girls ready after they get the tub, make them something to eat, and just get our day started, y'all. So yeah, it's 2:30. Let's get our day started. We got our morning started by cleaning. Let's get our day started by prepping and getting motivated. Because now that I'm done cleaning, I need to get my body pumped back up, y'all, and get more energized and get more motivated. So let's go ahead and get this day started. So we will catch y'all. By the way, I already picked their outfits out. They're wearing some dresses today. How cute, easy, simple. Let's get it going. See y'all next week. Alright, y'all, so now we got the water running. We just look outside. It's very sunny, beautiful. Don't mind the window, y'all. I don't know what happened to that window. Wow. But so the towel is running. I'm gonna put them in the tub, and then we're gonna, yeah, have a good day. It's already like almost 5:30, like 2:45 right now. So yeah, we're gonna do the tub. So we'll do that. Good job. Trace the numbers. Oh, we'll read it first. They say glue the correct number of reading cats to match the numbers. What's this number?
3.
Okay, go ahead and trace it. Good job. Okay. What's this number?
1.
What's this one?
4.
Alright, y'all, welcome back to the same video. This is still a routine, y'all. I know I didn't show the girls after they got the tub, but y'all, they're so adorable in their dresses. Anyways, so right now we're just chilling. The girls are downstairs playing with baby K. I think they're playing like school or something, and me and Zay is just like hanging out or whatever. But the girls ate already. They had some chicken strips, mac and cheese. You guys seen in the other clip that Zay did, and then oh, and they had some red juice to go along with it. But right now, it's just a vibe type of day, and a chill day, and a really, really good day. So, baby is still here, and I'm ready to have her, y'all. She just ain't ready. She ain't ready yet, but I'm ready. But yeah, so right now we're just enjoying this beautiful day. Look how gorgeous it is outside. It's not hot, it's not cold, it's not nasty out, it's not raining out. It's just perfect. But yeah, so just doing what we do and staying motivated, pushing forward, thinking hard, working hard, keeping your skin glowing, keeping your mind flowing, thinking of the good things and not the bad things. So always remember to be yourself, and don't nobody stop you from doing what you want to do in life. Remember that you are that person, and remember that you can do anything you want to put your mind to. Nobody can stop you, only you can stop yourself. But don't do that though, because success comes a long way, and hard work and dedication will make a big difference in your life. Just listen and just follow the knowledge and speak the wise words. And truth be told, success will be where you want it to be, right there where you are. But yeah, so look at Zay. Look at Zay. Look. Look at Zay. Look at Zay. Look at Zay. Zay always gotta come here and do something, y'all. Zay always doing the most. Look at him. Look. Look at him. He always gotta come and be extra and do the most. Always. It's always Zay gotta come do the most. Hey Zay. I ain't saying nothing.
I want y'all to know that y'all gotta fight for your truth, fight for your legacy, fight for what's great, fight for the man you who you are or the woman who you are. Just be who you want to be. Just stop fighting for the weak and be who you truly want to be.
And stay strong. And he's leaving me, y'all. Look at this. Look. Hey. Moo calling your name. Hey.
From Chicago?
For real?
Yes.
That's crazy. But yeah, y'all. So we're going to go ahead and call this a video. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Keep pushing forward. Stay strong. Believe in what you want to believe in. Speak your words. And don't nobody stop you. We'll catch y'all in the next video. Subscribe.